Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about chemical digestion. Chemical digestion involves the breakdown of large food molecule into chemical building blocks, followed by the absorption of those building blocks. This begins in the mountain as well. Saliva not only acts as a lubricant, it also contains as enzyme called salivary amylase, which digests starch into a simple sugar called maltose. Tangua rolls the chewed food into a small ball called a bolus, which is swelled into the oesophagus gullet. After this moves into the alimentary canal. The walls of the alimentary canals have muscle which tighten and relax to produce wave like contraction. These contractions cause a sequencing action called peristalsis that pushes food material along the canals. Oesophagus. The esophagus is a short tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. Balls of food are pushed into the stomach by peristalsis. No digestion happens here. The stomach is a muscular sac with waves at each end to control the flow of food into and out of the stomach. In the stomach, food is churned up by peristalsis and mixed with gastric juice. Gastric juice contains pectin enzymes which begin the digestion of proteins, and hydrochloric acid kill unwanted bacteria and continues mixing by the muscular stomach walls produce a creamy liquid which passes at regular intervals into the small intestine. Food may stay in the stomach for 1 to 6 hours. Small intestine. The first part of the small intestine is called the duodenum. Here bulb is added to the food through the bile duct. Bile is produced into liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile neutralizes stomach acid and emulsifies fats, breaks them into tiny droplets. Emulsifying increases the surface area of the food for the enzymes to work on pancreatic juice from the pancreas is also added to the food in the duodenum, the walls of the small intestine produce intestinal juice, which, like pancreatic juice, contains a variety of enzymes to digest different food material. These enzymes are amylase to digest starch not already digested in the mouth, into maltose protease to digest protein, into amino acids, lipids to digest fat into fatty acids, and glycerol carbohydrates to digest any remaining carbohydrates into glucose. The action of these enzymes brings digestion to an end. The end products of digestion are glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol. These molecules are absorbed into the bloodstream through the wall of the small intestine. They are carried in the form of a solution in the blood plasma. The liquid part of blood, the wall of the small intestine, is folded and covered with thousands of tiny projects called villi. Villi have very thin walls and increase the surface area of intestine for better absorption of food molecule into the bloodstream. Food stays in the small intestine between 5 to 6 hours. Undigested material passes into the large intestine. Appendix. The appendix is a small organ lying at the point where the small and large intestine join in human. The appendix has no function. However, many herbivores such as hares and rabbits, the appendix is much larger. It enables them to digest glucose present in plant cell wall. Large intestine. The material that passes into the large intestine consists mainly of water, vegetable, fiber, and glucose from plant cell wall. This is called roghage. Water is absorbed through the wall of the large intestine into the blood, leaving behind semi-solid phases. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share my channel, and thanks for supporting me on YouTube. And wait for my next video. Have a nice day.